Hello, my name is Melanie Chavis and I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I'm going to make for you a do-it-yourself men's cologne spray. I have two men that I love in my household, and that's my husband and my son, who's 13 years old, and they both like to smell nice. So I'm going to make them some cologne spray with all natural essential oils and products. So doTERRA sometimes has men's products, but it's usually a one-time thing during Father's Day or some kind of special promotion. So I want them to be able to have their body spray whenever they want it. So you can make so many different kinds of body sprays. You can make something more earthy. Anything that's earthy is usually a grounding blend, kind of like frankincense, sandalwood, cedarwood, vetiver, maybe some rosemary or some Siberian fir, and also some grounding blends that are herbal, or like clove, cinnamon, lavender, basil, thyme. And then you can also make a citrus blend. Citrus oils are very invigorating and uplifting, so like grapefruit, wild orange, lemon, lemongrass, bergamot, something like that. So I presented my men with a couple different scents, and they picked out some to put together. And we're going to use bergamot, sandalwood, frankincense, and vetiver. So they're going to have a little bit of grounding, a little bit of uplifting. So the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of vodka or witch hazel. So we are going to use 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. And we have these 2-ounce glass spray bottles. We use glass because we don't want the essential oils to break down any plastic bottles. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of this. Got our little funnel here. All right. And then 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. See, vegetable glycerin is a surfactant, so it helps keep the scent on the body. Put that in there. All right, and then we're going to put in 40 drops of essential oil. So this recipe is free of toxins, it's free of irritants, it's safe to put on your skin, it's not going to disrupt your respiratory system. So I'm going to put 10 drops of each of these 4 oils in here. And once I do that, I will top it off with some distilled water, shake it up, and then we have our spray, our body spray, toxic free, chemical free. It's a lovely little scent. They both like it. I will also have the recipe in this post, so if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a wonderful day.